So in today's video, we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on a 2016 and up Honda Civic. It's really simple to do. Just keep it under a minute. You're going to grab your new one. You're going to pop the glove box. Go in here, the housing, and then it has pretty much like a door that you're going to pop open. But first, it's actually lower the glove box a little bit. And by doing that, you're going to push. You can push in with on both sides like that, and it drops further down. All my sunglasses and everything falling down. It's okay. You're gonna pop this out. I think it has clips, 2 clips from both sides. Just bring that out. And right there's the old one. You can just grab from one corner. I can already see a lot of trash. Oh my goodness.
It's only been 2 years.
Only 2 years, right? Let's compare with the new one. That's the new one with the plastic housing, and that's the old one, just for comparison's sake. And one thing I like to do is actually use either one of these Febrezes or whatever. You can use essential oils, perfume, whatever. All you do is just spray it on the air filter and put it in there, so every time you put your AC or heater, you smell one of these scents or whatever scent you choose to do. Make sure this part faces down and towards you, then you shove it back in there, and then you close it back up with the arrows facing down, just like that. All of them should be facing down. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.